What is going on, everyone? Destin here, back at it again with another Switch review video. Today we'll be talking about the HMX Martini V2 linear switches. Been using these over the last week, and I gotta say I am extremely fond of these switches particularly. Third rail bottom mount switch from HMX, but the first one to come with a Lee stem. Breaking things down, we have 10 switches in a pack, or 90 switches in oil tanks. $3.50 for a pack of 10, $27 flat for an oil tank of 90. Same lubing method is done on the snow crashes, being only on the leaves and the springs. Being a rail bottom out linear switch designed by BC Keys, manufactured by HMX. Coming with a new mold and a stem material for the first time of Lee. Top housing being PA12, bottom housing being PA-2. Operating force of 48 grams and a bottom out force of 55 grams. They pre-travel at 2.0 millimeters with a total travel of 4.0 millimeters, offering an 18 millimeter KOS single stage extended spring, again coming factory lubed. I'm starting to wonder if there are any companies that make Kale style switches anymore. Cracking these switches open, the tolerances do feel pretty tight. But nevertheless, we'll go ahead and crack these Martini switches open, take a look at each component closer. Kicking things off, we got our top housings consisting of a PA12, Lee stems coming in a nice and vibrant red, 18mm KOS single stage extended spring, finishing things off with our bottom housings consisting of a PA-2. Taking a closer look at these switches, they should have called these the bomb pops. So if you're anything like me in my childhood, that's all that I can think of. Being a 5-pin PCB mount switch, we'll go ahead and take a listen to how they sound as a rail bottom out. Let me know what you think on how these switches sound. With these new molds, we'll go ahead and take a look at the tolerances. Not really any vertical wobble or horizontal wobble happening. One thing I do notice is there is a little bit of wobble with the housings, which leads me to believe maybe they're prioritizing smoothness of the switch as opposed to the housings in the mold. Just something to note. I gotta say the stems on the Martini V2 linears are done phenomenally well. A very snug fit on the keycaps with no signs of things moving anywhere. Next, we'll go ahead and compare these against the other rail bottom out switches that are currently out for HMX. For the sound test today, we're going Neo 75 CU, no foams, carbon fiber plate, Kikobo vibrato.